Okay, so here I am in After Effects for our compositing. The render I'm using here is not the one we just created. It's even worse than the other one. As you can see, just some blobs. I just want to keep simple for the demonstration. The one you've created is way better than this one, so you are in advantage. Alright, so the After Effects part is pretty simple. The first thing you want to do when you select the layer is click on P to reveal the position, and then you Alt click on it and you write for the expression wiggle parenthesis 10, 20. So now you see that things are starting to shake. So you see that things are really shaking. That's what we want. Right, so the first part is done. The second part is click on it and select Effect, Stylize, Glow. So look at this. It creates a really interesting effect, and you can just increase the glow radius to make that effect smaller or bigger, depends on what you want. Alright, so now what you want to create is duplicate that and set it to screen. So now I have an even intense effect, and select vector blur and apply on it. And I've set it to perpendicular and the amount to 40. So now you set the quality to half resolution and render it. So now you can see some things are starting to happen, but not really. So what I want to do is click on the CC vector blur, copy and paste by clicking on Ctrl V. So now you set the perpendicular to natural in the second one, and that's what you have. In the first one you can actually decrease up to 20. So final preview. Okay, so let's see what we have. Awesome, really nice. And what you can do is actually come in one position, and just for one you can set the wiggle to actually wiggle 30, 40. So one wiggles more than the other. That will create, of course, a really crazy effect, but that's probably what you want, right? So that's the mini After Effects follow-up enhancement in our effect, and the final render will also be available. So I'll see you in the next tutorial.